Hi, this is Steve, V6WZ. Thought you guys get a kick out of this. This is typical northern V6 weather. Beautiful October day. Actually, CQ Worldwide single sideband contest. Fortunately, the conditions were crap, so didn't matter. Took the day off, came up here to do some repairs. Big windstorm last night. Let's see behind me, this is my JA wire feed point. You can see it's down. I'm gonna flip the camera around here. Hang on. Yesterday we had a big cold front blow through. Like, I mean, a real fast moving cold front, and the winds kicked up well over almost 60 miles per hour and took a bunch of trees down. This is my feed point for the one of my JA wires, and you can see the wire. Hopefully you can see the wire here. It goes down under this tree, big tree down. And in fact, right down here is another wire. Well, this one is the north wire going to the north. And also at this same confluence, the same tree took down my east wire. Now, if you can see it there, and it goes under this same tree. Well, actually, the one tree I think took down a number of trees. So again, as I explained in my maintenance video, boy, I tell you, when I did my sweeps with the AIM analyzer, it was very obvious that these antennas were problematic, so decided to come up here today on this beautiful snowy October 24th day. Hey, one other thing while I'm here, my friend Don V6JY put me onto this. I've been using a typical mixed gas chainsaw, but you know, others may know about this, but boy, you can buy these battery powered chainsaws, okay? And I was doubtful it'd be, you know, powerful enough, but man, they work great. I bought a brand which matches my weed whacker at home, so I can share the batteries. 54 volt battery. It's this one's a 14-inch bar on it. But anyway, it's really handy to quickly come out to cut up these trees without having to worry about mixing gas and getting the saw going in the cold weather. Anyway, get going here and cut up these trees, and hopefully, and likely, it shouldn't be a problem. The wire will just snap back with the counterweight and we'll be good to go.